going. We're going to see the boat. And like a little tree. This was an old Mac, and I took the case out and I modified for my radar. There we go. Now you're gonna so the boat I'm rebuilding it. That's the motor, my beauty. It took me 6 months, but I get there. That's the motor rebuilt, the starter, solenoid, cylindrical wires, repaint everything. And that's we're gonna go inside now. Gonna put the battery on. And voila. Clicks. Gonna go in. I made that in wood. I buy this to seat for $50. I made a console wood. That's my radar. And you be quiet, okay? And I'm gonna attach the power to my thing. Starting up. That's the horn. Put it on. Power on. Shh, quiet. It doesn't like it. That's too. I made a wood here, and I made the wood reversible, so I can take this out here, and I made this cover. You can turn around, and voila, you have like a nice cushion, rubber cushion, so you can use it as a rest. Everything like that. That's my front. I built up the windshield. Quiet, quiet. And there's a lot of work on it. I made this in wood, and I stained it on it. I put a nice wood, nice cup for the screw. I put a paddle, and the boat was originally fixed and paint by hand, so I scrape everything, and that's the light. Let me shut it off. I need it now. I made the holder with the wood for the coffee pot, for the coffee cup. I made the bench. This bench here, I made it with a battery cover where I hold the battery. It's a lot of work on it. Put no carpet. And the boat, like you see, it looks like brand new. No bikini top. My dogs don't stop barking, and that's about it. See what happened. They're still warming up. Got 15 minutes left. It's counting down and warm up the magnetron. Okay, now it's ready. We're gonna go guard. And that's all. I'm gonna get the ring. And we check the sensibility. And transmit it. And voila. There's my radio. The adjustment to be made because now it's just on the ground. I bought it as $400, believe it or not. The arnels are broken. I fixed it up, put on the connectors, and it works perfect. And the display is nice and bright. Brilliant. Got the intensity bright. I'm pretty happy with it. Pretty happy. Works pretty good. Alright, that's about all. The camera. I got the camera. Got the camera looking in the front. And I got it zoom. I can zoom in and out. So the camera have to be positioning. And that's it, folks. Just for now. I gotta do now. The last thing for me to do is the transom. The transom was loaded. Put no plate here. That has to be just come out. And the transom, like you see, is empty. We got to fill up with the C-cast. Was all loaded. So that's ready to be filled up. Once that's filled up, it's going to be like a brand new transom. And then I'm going to put the motor back. And then we're going to go fishing. That's it. I'm happy the way the motor came out too. I took everything apart. Fixed nice. And that's it. Pretty happy. The windshield was custom made too. I made the custom made windshield, the plexiglass. I shaped it, I turned it, and it's gonna look nice boat. Then we're gonna go to the trailer, the boat master. I have to fix that too. That's all, folks.